Hey, what's going on, guys? My name's John Erickson, 6 feet tall, without skates. I grew up playing hockey back east. I'm originally from Massachusetts. Literally, from the moment I could start walking, I had skates on the ponds, pushing chairs around. It's funny, I've got photos from when I was a kid. Played hockey throughout school. I was Division I Ivy League, played semi-pro, Canada, Europe, and never actually made it to the show. Very few do. But I'm playing out here in men's leagues, play 3 nights a week for the last 10 years or so. Absolutely love it. Believe it or not, there is a lot of hockey here in Los Angeles. I play forward and defense where I am now. Grew up playing D. I play offense now. I have goalie experience. I don't have any goalie equipment. I think that's what the role is they put me in for. So by nature, forward defenseman, I'm an excellent skater, shooter, passer, you name it. But I can play goalie in a spot if you need it, and I could probably get equipment. Don't have any equipment on me today, but like I said, I could get some. So for the action spots for this one, I'll mimic them, but you'll see in the reel that I put in just how good a skater I am, just how good a player I am. So love the fact you guys are doing hockey. Go hockey. Thanks so much. Here's how to save like a goalie and how to make it legendary. The split save. Just take some practice and a little bit of courage. Suggest splitting the check based on what everyone ate. Those who had fries shouldn't pay the same as those who had surf and turf. Follow for more legendary tips leading up to the season opener. Here's how to save like a goalie and how to make it legendary. A split save. Just take some practice and a little bit of courage. Suggest splitting the check based on what everyone ate. Those who had fries shouldn't pay the same as those who had surf and turf. Follow for more legendary tips leading up to the season opener. Another legendary way to save? Add some padding. Factor unexpected expenses into your budget, because you never know. You could be making some great saves and then bam, an expense comes out of nowhere and hits you right in the wallet. Yep, padding helps. Nice one, buddy. Thanks. Another legendary way to save? Add some padding. Factor unexpected expenses into your budget, because you never know. You could be making some great saves and then bam, an expense comes out of nowhere and hits you right in the wallet. Yep, padding helps. Hit the net, come on.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're with my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up